Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to see which accounts you've restricted on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to view your restricted accounts so you can manage your privacy and interactions with ease. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to check. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and more. Next, look to the top right corner of your profile page. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on those three lines. This will open up a menu with a list of different options for your account settings and preferences. Now scroll down through the menu until you find the section labeled Restricted Accounts. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the accounts you've restricted. From here, you can review each account, and, if you want, you can tap on any profile to view more details or even remove the restriction if you've changed your mind. Restricting an account on Instagram is a great way to quietly limit someone's interactions with you without blocking or unfollowing them. It's perfect for those situations where you want a little more control over your privacy but don't want to cause any drama. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily view and manage your restricted accounts on Instagram. Keeping your online space comfortable and safe is always important, so don't hesitate to use these features whenever you need them. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.